Today, we're going to go through single arm row. So the dumbbell's going to kind of start just out in front of you. We're going to row back up into our pocket here. So elbow bends, we're going to row up into our pocket here. We don't want to see the dumbbell come straight up into this position here, and your hand kind of come towards your chest. What I don't want is all of your weight to be over on this knee and on this hand that's on the bench. I want it to be equally spread between your hand is on the bench, your knee is back here, and your foot is down there. I don't want to see too much rotation in body or any reaching. I want you to just try and maintain this square position as we row up the dumbbell to the side. The reason I want to see that is because this movement doubles up, not only as a back movement, but as a core exercise. It doubles up as this anti-rotational movement. The other way we can set this up is what we would call like a 3-point row. Now, a 3-point row is going to set you up in a position where one leg's going to be in front, kind of opposite leg to the hand we're moving. Hands are going to be on the top of the bench here. This other leg's going to be bent. So I'm going to be in this kind of hinged over position, almost like a bent over position, almost like a Romanian deadlift. Bench height can be either here or the one below. It's just whatever feels most comfortable. I'm going to reach forward. And with this one, I like to think reach and then row. So I shall reach to the floor. So what I don't want to see is you can stop in here. We don't want to see your body rotating again. I'm going to try and keep our chest up. So as I set up, I'm in position. My chest is pointing that way. So my chest is always positioned up. I'm kind of arching my back. I'm extended through here. And I'm going to try and keep that extension. I'm going to reach from my shoulder. I'm going to row up into my pocket. Keep that elbow close. So shoulder comes back, elbow comes through. One thing I want you to think about is elbow position. So as you're rowing, what I don't want to see is elbow coming way out here, having all of this room in this space. And we keep our elbow close to your body. That is a single arm dumbbell row. Give it a go. My name's Charlie. This is How When It Might. We will see you on next one.